Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 231, power of 2. It is an wait a minute. It is an easy level problem on the LeetCode, and it has been asked for a lot of companies interview also. Let's look at the problem statement. We have given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise return false. An integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that n is equal to 2 raised to x. So basically, we have given an input. We need to check if that number is has a 2 raised to something power. So basically, here let's take look at the example. N is equal to 16. If we try to convert it into the power of 2, so it can be equal to 2 raised to 4. It is power of 2. And n is equal to 3. As you can see, 3 is not divisible by or nothing can be done. So to make it power of 2, 3 is not a power of 2 also, as we know. What can be our approach here is, let's take a look here. I tried to make it, but let's try to make another one. The input we have given is n. Okay. So what can we do? What our approach is? We need to check if it is a power of 2. So our thinking can be, why not check if it is if it's divisible by 2 or not? Or check if its remainder is equal to 0. Then by dividing 2, then it is a power of 2. Like dividing by 2 or is equal to 0, it is divisible and gives 0. I am saying this. We'll divide by 2 and check if its remainder is equal to 0 or not. If its remainder is equal to 0, we'll proceed forward and we'll divide it by 2. Okay, I think you're getting my point. From this, you can already getting the point. What we are trying to do is, let's take example of 8. 8 is divisible by 2, and if it is divisible by 2, its remainder is 0. And if we divide it by 2 is, we will get 4. So we will assign that number into the given input. So that process can be repeated again. And the given number after being divisible by 2, if it's getting also divisible by 2 also and getting the remainder 0. So it is divisible by 2 and it is a power of 2 at the end if n is equal to 1. Like how can I explain this? Let's try to write on this. If 8 is percentage by 2 is equal to 0, then it is also divisible by 2 and n is equal to n by 2, so it becomes 4. 4 also divisible by 2 is equal to 0 and if it is true, then comes here. 4 is also divisible by 2 and it is 2. We'll divide by 2, 4. So answer is 2. We'll try to make divisible and if its remainder is 0, obviously. So if it's true, is it true? Obviously. Then we'll check again. What is its divisible by 2 is 1. So at the end, if the 1 is being gotten, 1 percentage by 2 is not is equal to 0. This condition will become false. So at the end, if the number is power of 2, after this process, we will need to be getting 1. I think you might got this point. And we will check if the answer we have gotten, is it 1 or not. If it's 1, we will just simply return it is a power of 2, true. Or if it's not, we will just return false. Now let's begin. Here we will check n is equal to 1 or not. And one more thing, we will need to discard the negative numbers also. This has been passed. Let's submit it. Is it equal to 0? Okay, I've just ordered things here. So guys, you can see here, our solution has been accepted, and that's it from my side. Thank you.